Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a modern solution for your kitchen, introducing the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Food Chopper. This compact powerhouse promises to revolutionize how you prep ingredients, offering the freedom of battery-powered operation without compromising on performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. The Kitchenaid Go Cordless Food Chopper sports a sleek, matte black finish that's not just easy on the eyes but also compact enough to fit neatly into any kitchen space. Its streamlined appearance and intuitive layout make it a breeze to use. With a capacity of 39.9 ounces, it strikes a good balance between size and functionality, perfect for everyday chopping and mixing tasks. Now, onto performance. During testing, this chopper proved itself more than capable. Whether I was pulsing through a mix of nuts for that perfect texture or effortlessly whipping up cream with the included whisk accessory, it handled everything I threw at it. The dual-speed functionality activated by simply holding down the button siloed for precise control, ensuring consistent results without the need for constant supervision. Battery life is always a concern with cordless appliances, but fear not. The Kitchenaid Go Chopper's battery lasted impressively long during my tests, even after multiple sessions of chopping and mixing. Charging via USB is convenient, though you'll need to supply your own adapter. For those who use it frequently, investing in an extra battery might be wise to ensure uninterrupted operation. Cleaning up afterward was surprisingly hassle-free. All parts are dishwasher safe, or you can quickly rinse them by hand. The blades detach easily, which is a relief when dealing with sticky mixtures. It's designed with practicality in mind, making it a joy to maintain despite its sharp components. So, should you consider adding the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Food Chopper to your kitchen arsenal? If you value flexibility and convenience, this device excels. Whether you're working in a kitchen with limited power outlets or simply prefer the freedom of movement that cordless appliances offer, this chopper delivers. It's ideal for smaller batches and daily use, though larger families or frequent batch cooks might find its capacity a bit limiting. Overall, the Kitchenaid Go Cordless Food Chopper blends functionality with ease of use, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tasks without compromising on quality. If you're ready to upgrade your chopping game, this might just be the tool for you. That wraps up our review here on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy chopping!